Sophia, and I'm gonna do the self puppet. These are the materials that I will need. I need a scissor, and I need a color. This is my glue, and this is my popsicle stick. And I only use green because there's a color on it. So let's start. So I'm gonna cut this one because make sure you're safety. Now I'm gonna color myself up.
Just wait for a while.
1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ako si Elaine Sophia P.E. Sharlina. Ako ang usa ka guwapa na babae. Hello everybody, I'm gonna do shape match. So this is the materials I will need. So I need some glue. And this is the scissor. So I'm gonna cut this one because there's a line on it. Make sure you're safety. So very tiny. Whatever.
What shape is that?
Square.
Very good.
There is the perfect shape.
What shape is that?
Rectangle.
Very good.
And I have a perfect circle.
Yeah, very good. Okay, tapos na ka na gunting, ipapilit sa kaparihas nga forma o shape.
Okay.
What shape is that?
Triangle.
Very good. What shape is that?
Square.
Very good.
This is what I made. This is circle. And this is square. And this is rectangle. And this is triangle.
Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you, Papa. Love you so much. Hi, everyone. My name is Elaine Sophia, and I'm gonna do some color parade. So this is the colors, and this is the purple. This is the purple. This is the green one, and this is the green one, and this is the peach one. That's the another peach. This is the yellow, and this is the yellow, and this is the blue, and this is the blue, and this is the red, and this is the red, and this is the black, and this is the black, and this is the white, and this is the white. That's all. And this is the materials I only need scissors and yarn and plate. Because I'm gonna now let's start. So I'm gonna cut this up. And I'm gonna tapos na nako nabusutan. Now, nakoy kaning yarn. Tapos,
Sige, iparis-paris ang parehong mga color. Orange. Itusok sa pitas nga bangay. Itusok sa pitas.
yay! I'm done! That's my day. Now I'm done with my color parade. Now let me identify each of their colors. This is white, and this is purple, and this is green, and this is yellow, and this is peach, and this is red, and this is black, and this is blue. That's